Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. With popular features, also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. You are going to love the 2019 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, hands-free communication, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.